there has been a lot of noise and chatter about what is going on in the housing market nationally. Let's go ahead and talk about, though, how has that impacted Linden's housing market in the month of July? We're going to get into this and much more right after this. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes, and I'm a local real estate agent in the Union County, New Jersey area. As always, I want to thank you for taking a moment out of your day to watch my video on Linden's real estate housing market for July 2022. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified every time I drop a video like this one. You can also check me out on my other social media platforms as well. And then lastly, if you like the videos and you want a little bit more information than even what I cover in the videos, you do have an opportunity to do such. All you have to do is follow the link that I have on the screen showing now. It will allow you to sign up to my monthly emails where you get a little bit more information than what I even cover in the videos. So let's go ahead and talk about the housing market. First off, I have to apologize. I did not do June's video because I was on vacation. But it seems like while I was on vacation, it was like all hell trying to break loose on the housing market. And it just left a lot of people asking questions because there was a lot of noise, definitely media influenced, about what was happening in the housing market. You know, did the Fed raising the rates scare away all the buyers? Are the, homes staying on the market longer? Are sellers now needed to reduce their prices? Are all the buyers gone? It's just question after question after question. And for the purpose for me today, as I stated on my other videos, is we're going to cut through the bullshit. Let's go ahead and separate fact from fiction for you guys, and let's show you in real time what is going on in the housing market. Now, I want to preface this by stating, with the exception of number of new listings available for sale, as well as the inventory of homes available for sale, a lot of the other key statistics, including closed sales, days on market until sale, the median sales price, as well as the percentage of list price received, are all going to be numbers that are, if you want to call it, past tense. So they're going to be homes that more or less came on the market, I would say between 30 to 90 days, with the way the market is, from the time of July. So if you're going 60 days out from July, you're looking more like May 1st, and May 1st, that seed hasn't been planted yet about what is happening in the housing market and the Fed raising the rates and the chaos that headline has caused in the housing market. So we're going to do a supersized video because I want to go ahead, in addition to doing stuff behind this backdrop here, we're going to go in front of the computer screen. I'm going to show you in real time what is happening in the housing market from the time homes came on the market in the month of July. And just for timestamp purposes, we are now in August. We're now at August, what is today? The 26th. August 26, 2022, talking about July statistics. So we'll get to that momentarily, but first let's go ahead and get into a couple of key numbers. Number one, I think just like Rawway, which took a really big hit, Linden also, nobody put their homes on for sale in the month of July. Last year, the number of homes that were available for sale was 46 homes. This year, that number went down to 31. So that's a 33% difference from 1 year ago. I would love, if you are a homeowner, and I threw this challenge out in one or two of my other videos. If you're a homeowner, you were thinking about selling your home in the month of July, and you changed your mind. What made you change your mind? Was it a personal circumstance, which, okay, completely understand that, that's, no problem. Or was it all this noise about the housing market that told you guys, what, maybe we want to hold off on selling our home? I would love to hear from you guys. What made home sellers decide not to sell their homes in the month of July. Number two, as a result of no new homes becoming available for sale, inventory numbers of course inevitably took a hit also. Last year there were 71 homes available for sale in the month of July. This year that number was 57, so that's down 20% from 1 year ago. And the third thing, while homes were selling above asking this year, the homes sold at 103.6%, so that's 3.6% above asking. The median sales price for homes was really, I would say, the same from last year. Last year, the average sales price of a home was $429,900. This year, that number was $424,000, so just a slight drop down of a couple of grand. Now, with all that being said, let's go ahead and hop to my computer screen and take a look on what's going on in the housing market for the homes that came on in the month of July. All right, guys. So now we are in front of my computer screen. And just to give you a basic idea where this information is coming from. This is coming from the Garden State Multiple Listing Service, which is um, the realtor database, layman's terms, that more or less us realtors in Union County use to provide any information about any new homes on the market, homes currently on the market, as well as homes that have recently or closed in the past. So the Garden State MLS is our source for getting this information. It is the MLS that more or less is exclusively used within this area. A couple of things just to point out to you. I have doing a quick search of all residential homes that are on the market. For the purpose of this video, it will include townhomes and condominiums. We are looking in Union County, Union Township, which is also the only town that is selected. We're going to scroll down a little bit. We are looking at homes that are coming soon, active, under contract, sold, temporarily off the market, and withdrawn, that were listed between July 1st and July 31st of this year. After we get that search criteria set up, there's going to be 69 homes that come up. We're going to select yes. So a couple of things on the screen that I want to point out to you as far as properties in real time. The first you will see is that it does go down to the 69 homes. There is one that was on Carlton Terrace that was temporarily taken off the market. 4 homes that were listed in the month of July have actually already closed. All of them. You can see one sold at asking, which was a townhome on TV Place. You see one that sold underneath asking price. So this one on Brookfall Avenue was listed for $370,000 and sold at $342,500. The other 2 were listed and sold above asking. One sold at 107% and one sold at 113%. So $50,000 above asking for Ray Avenue. And then what is that? $26,000 for South Master Parkway. Another important thing for these homes, they all were on the market in no time at all. You can see under 12 days on the market for the properties that have already closed that were listed in the month of July. Second thing I want to point out, you're going to see this ST. This is going to show the status of the property. So all these homes, so out of these 60 semi homes, you got from 26 down, 26 to 48. So what is that going to be? 43 homes have received offers that were accepted. I want to point out to you a couple of things in this. We're going to focus on this column right here, which is days on market. You can see homes are still selling quickly in town. So if you are concerned about that homes are going to take longer to sell, or if there's going to be some type of shift. It's not necessarily happening yet. Homes that are under contract have not had to sit on the market for too long. Next thing I want to focus on is the homes that are actually still available. When we go to this ST point one more time, you can see line number 7, line number 9 have a little asterisk next to it. That means that the home does have an accepted offer. So there are 2 of the homes as of August 26th that do have accepted offers. So that's going to bring it statistically down to 23 homes that are still available. Now, I will point this out as well. You are starting to see longer days on the market for the homes that did not hit it correctly at the beginning. Another very important thing, you see this category that says C. This tells me if the house has reduced its price from its original list price or has increased its price from its original list price. So this home on Meeker Street, 825 Meeker Road, is now listed at $599,000. If I open this up, you're going to see that it did increase its list price by $10,000. But you're also going to see a couple of negative marks. So these are homes that have already dropped their prices. Here's another one. Have already dropped their prices from what being listed in July. So I think this is going to be interesting to watch. This category right here. Are we going to start seeing homes reducing the pricing moving forward? So in real time, what you're still seeing, out of the 69 homes that came on the market, or about 2/3 of them have already been spoken for. Of those that have closed, half of them sold above asking. You are starting to see longer days on the market for the homes that are still on the market. So my suggestion is, if you are a home seller, you you better go ahead and get the house properly presented as soon as you get the house on the market. You know, I'll say a year ago, you weren't seeing 42 days. You definitely weren't seeing the days in the 50s. So, those numbers are starting to, stand out a little bit compared to a year ago. So if you're a home seller, I think it's important that you got to understand that, what price points are homes still moving in. Also, that you get the homes presented properly from the very beginning for any potential buyers. And then also possibly being prepared to reduce your price if you're not getting much activity on the home. And there you have it. Just a brief overview on what's going on in Linden's housing market for the month of July. If you have any questions or need any additional assistance with your home buying or selling journey, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information will be at the end of the video, and I would love to help you out. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, week, and I definitely look forward to giving you some more information come next month. Take care.